Welcome friends. The good news is ICF will restart production of Vande Bharat trains and will produce 44 train sets, each with 16 coaches in the next 3 years. Finally, in December 2019, the Railway Board cleared the deck for ICF to proceed with the procurement process for manufacture of 44 rakes of Train 18 or Vande Bharat, with each rake consisting of 16 coaches with 8 power cars, including the trailing cabin power cars. The global competitive bid invites firms to supply 3-phase propulsion equipment, electrics, with passenger and operator related peripheral items suitable for maximum service speed of 160 km per hour. The train sets by themselves would be manufactured or assembled at ICF using those components procured from this global tender. The specifications for these new train set to be manufactured at ICF would be based on RDSO's revised specifications for these new train sets, which was the part of the tender that was issued in December 2019. I would like to make a clarification here. The tender is for supply of components and not for complete train set, as it has been projected in some of the videos on YouTube, and ICF would be responsible for the manufacture or assembly of the train sets. The vendors in this tender would merely supply the necessary components, including the traction system. Now let us see the RDSO's revised specification. There are indeed some good improvements that have been incorporated. Number 1, all coaches in train will be chair car type for day travel, just like the current Vande Bharat. These train sets will be procured in multiple basic units of 4 coaches. Each can be attached or detached from the main train as per requirement. This will improve reliability and operational efficiency, as it will be possible to replace basic units in case of defects or augment the train to a length of up to 24 coaches due to increased demand. The present train sets do not have this feature. As a result, the entire train will be rendered ineffective in case of any defective coach. This is a very useful enhancement. All the train sets will be provided with cabin AC DTCs, above the roof high tension equipment, 25 kV roof through HT cable assembly with associated accessories like insulators, jumper cables, etc. The current trains have the HT cable running beneath the train. These lightweight energy efficient train sets will have a ride index of less than 3.5 as against the earlier value of 4, which will improve passenger comfort even for longer journeys. Number 5, these optimized train sets will also be suitable for in the cold conditions of Kashmir, and the electrics will be tested for continuous operations of 160 km per hour. Number 6, the train sets would reach top speed of 160 kilometers in a maximum of 2 minutes and 20 seconds, that is 140 seconds. The new train sets will provide an actual saving of 20% in journey time, and all equipment should be suitable for flooding conditions. Number 7, train set to be provided with explosion-proof, lightweight lithium-ion phosphate batteries to provide backup to the train for up to a duration of 3 hours. The train set would be provided with RMPU units, that is aluminum body roof mounted packaged unit type of air conditioning, and it will be microprocessor controlled for comfort based setting. The peak efficiency of the propulsion system for these train sets shall not be less than 87%, which provides for more robust, efficient, reliable system. Other standard features in the train would be automatic plug doors with retractable footsteps, automatic interconnection door, in-coach displays, speakers, side destination board on the outside of the train, luggage racks with leading lamps, direct lighting and diffused lighting for luggage racks, continuous LED light fixtures on the inside roof, modular pantry equipment, and GPS antenna in all coaches. Mobile laptop charging sockets in the passenger seats, CCTV and emergency talkback units with networking system in all coaches. So in summary, this will be a very modern train and as good as what you can get from one of those international brands like Siemens or Talgo or KF or anything, and at much cheaper price because all the components are all indigenously sourced. This has been an excellent initiative by the railways and let us hope more is to come and the train 20 should be rolled out fast. Jai Hind. Thank you very much for watching this compilation. Hope you liked it. Share your comments and stay safe during the coronavirus time. Thank you very much and have a great day.